Hi, I'm Arizona Divorce and Family Law Attorney Kyle Scoresby. This little video is about spousal maintenance, just kind of an overview. Spousal maintenance, a lot of people know it as alimony. In Arizona, the statute uses is spousal maintenance, same thing as alimony. So Arizona does have a statute that allows for spousal maintenance or alimony in certain situations. Although the statute doesn't say this, I think most judges don't really entertain a request for spousal maintenance unless the marriage is over 5 years or so. And so when you're looking at this issue, you might want to go look at the statute that governs this. In Arizona, we have a set of statutes called Arizona Revised Statutes. All the family law divorce statutes are in Title 25. So if you want to look this up, it's ARS, Arizona Revised Statutes, Section 25-319. This has two major subsections. In subsection A, that talks about the instances in which a person may qualify to get spousal maintenance. There are 5 subtopics that are listed, 5 grounds on which a person may be awarded spousal maintenance. But the big picture is usually it's when the person seeking spousal maintenance cannot support themselves through their own employment. That is the most common situation where a person may qualify for spousal maintenance. So a lot of times you're looking at a long-term marriage. One spouse has really furthered their career during the marriage. They have a relatively high income. The other spouse maybe has been a stay-at-home parent, and maybe their income really isn't high enough to go out and pay their own expenses like rent and transportation and clothing and food. So that is a situation where some spousal maintenance may be appropriate. So the exercise the judges go through is first to look at 25-319 Part A. Does this person qualify for spousal maintenance? And then if the person does qualify in the mind of the judge, then you go to subsection B, which is the factors the judge must look at to determine the amount and the duration of the spousal maintenance order. There's many factors there, too many to cover in this short video, but you can go to that statute and check it out. When in practical terms, here's a lot of times what the judges are going to do. They're going to look at a budget that's prepared by each parent in writing. And if one parent, I say parent, a spouse, not parent, but if one spouse has a lot of excess income after meeting their reasonable budget expenses, and the other spouse has a big shortfall after, between their income and what their expenses are, that's the context in which you might get a spousal maintenance order. Arizona really is not a state where very often you'll see long-term spousal maintenance orders or lifetime spousal maintenance orders. Most of the time, this is just a hand up, not a handout. This is temporary transitional support to get the person who can't at the moment support themselves to where they can. So usually anywhere from 1 or 2 years up to 5 years is about the max you see, just to get that parent back or that spouse back on her feet again. So if you have questions as to whether you may order you may be ordered to pay spousal maintenance, how much you may owe, or whether you're entitled to receive it, you should give us a call and we can go through that with you.